Dangling no more. Unraveling the mystery of ambiguous modifiers. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our English grammar series. In our journey through relative clauses, we've landed on a commonly misunderstood topic, dangling modifiers, and today, we're diving into a specific type of them, the ambiguous modifiers. So let's get started and untangle this mystery together. An ambiguous modifier is a type of dangling modifier. It's a word, phrase, or clause that doesn't clearly relate to what it's modifying. As a result, the meaning of the sentence becomes unclear or misleading. For example, consider the sentence, "Flying above the clouds, the view was breathtaking." The modifier, "flying above the clouds," is dangling because it's unclear who or what was flying. It sounds like the view was flying, which doesn't make sense. Recognizing ambiguous modifiers can be a bit tricky. A key to spotting them is to look for descriptions that seem to be related to something in the sentence, but it's not clearly stated what. If your modifier could be logically linked to more than one subject, you might be dealing with an ambiguous modifier. Take the sentence, "After finishing the essay, the Xbox was my next target." The modifier, "after finishing the essay," could logically refer to either the speaker or the Xbox, making it ambiguous. You can correct an ambiguous modifier by restructuring your sentence so the modifier clearly relates to the word it's intended to modify. The key is to make sure your modifier and the word it's modifying are close together, and that there's a clear logical link between them. Using our previous examples, we can correct them as follows. Flying above the clouds, we saw a breathtaking view. After I finished the essay, the Xbox was my next target. Now the modifiers, "flying above the clouds," and "after I finished the essay," clearly refer to we and I, respectively. And there we have it. Ambiguous modifiers can be tricky, but with practice, you'll get better at spotting and fixing them. Remember, clarity is the goal in writing and speaking. Make sure your modifiers are doing their job correctly and your communication will be much more effective. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video has helped clear up some of the confusion around ambiguous modifiers. Happy learning, and we'll see you next time.